So long back, there was this one client who said, he wanted a tree house in the house.
Hello everyone, this is Angelique Dhamma and today I have Dipti with me. Hi Dipti, welcome to the show today.
Thank you so much.
We're here to know a little bit more about you. I know you're very shy and behind the scenes. Tell us a little bit about your New York experience.
Oh, that's like way back in past, like 20 years back. But I did my master's in architecture from there. One of the best times of my life, honestly. Like, I learned so much, made such amazing friends. The exposure was wonderful. So, yeah, I mean...
So it's worth all those tuition fees, right? To go out there and study.
Absolutely. I tell all my my employees and anybody who comes for a recommendation, I always tell them, just do it. Like, even if you have to take loans or whatever, just do it. It's worth it. Absolutely.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, so we're here with the rapid fire round now. We've got a lot of advice from Gen Zs behind the scenes on what we should be doing and what not. Gen Z versus millennials. Who's the better interior designer?
And millennials any day. I am one, so definitely.
So if the world was ending tomorrow, what would you use your time on today?
Spending all my time with my son, my 5-year-old.
One comfort food that you can't live without?
Rajma chawal.
So if you were not an interior designer, what would your alternate profession be?
I love traveling, so definitely travel blogger or travel planner or something.
So since you say you like travel, do you prefer mountains or beaches?
Mountains that cascades into beaches.
Okay, so give us 3 of the best locations that we should look out for.
So my recent travels last year was to Portugal, and I was quite... I'm in love with Portugal. I wasn't expecting what I saw. So we went to this really tiny island called Madeira Islands there. And it's just like, you won't know where the mountains dissolve into the beaches. So that's something I found the perfect place, like where mountains meet beaches.
Oh,
it's just a gorgeous place to visit for sure.
So what's your calm me down?
My playlist, my playlist, my music is something that whenever I'm stressed, I just put my headphones on.
So you have to sing one for me.
Oh, you're putting me on a spot. Okay, and try.
Yeah,
please.
Sure.
I'm sitting here in the boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder.
Oh, I didn't know the title of the song was Lemon Tree.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
It's a lovely song.
Great.